Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to control YouTube TV from your phone, so you can navigate, play, and pause your TV easily without using the remote. Step 1. Make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Connect both your phone and smart TV or streaming device to the same Wi-Fi network. This allows your phone to communicate with the YouTube TV app. Step 2. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone. Launch the app and make sure you're signed in with the same account as your TV. Step 3. Tap the cast icon. In the YouTube TV app, tap the cast icon usually located at the top of the screen. Select your TV or streaming device from the list. Step 4. Control playback from your phone. Once connected, you can use your phone to play, pause, rewind, fast forward, and switch channels. You can also browse programs and schedule recordings without touching the TV. Step 5. Use the remote control feature. Some versions of YouTube TV allow a full remote control interface on your phone. Tap the remote icon to access navigation buttons and a keyboard for searching shows. Step 6. Troubleshooting tips. Make sure both devices are updated to the latest software. If casting doesn't work, restart your phone and TV. Reconnect to the same Wi-Fi if the devices don't see each other. And that's it. You can now fully control YouTube TV from your phone. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.